crafty friends, this is Gift Diva. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to drop on here really quick today and show you a project that I just completed from the weekend. It's part of my craft fair initiative for the craft fair season, and I followed a tutorial from the Posh Paper Lady. I will leave that link down below. She did some 4x4 notepads, and they were really cute. And while I couldn't find the paper that she used, I did find 4x4 Post-it notes, which are even better because I'm going to do them. You'll see. So anyway, I like the idea of the rip on Post-it note idea. So I'm going to show you really quick what I managed to put together. These turned out so cute. So this is that cheetah paper, the new cheetah paper from Michaels. I made the mistake of going into Michaels today for a blade trimmer replacement for my trim board and scoreboard, and they had buy one paper pad get two free, so I bought 3 paper pads. So anyway, this is from the cheetah paper. Turned out really pretty. So there's this one. This is from the only Maggie Holmes paper pad I have, and I have no idea what collection it is. I think it's Bloom maybe. And so I wanted to use it up, and so I thought that was pretty. This is another one from the cheetah pad. The inside and the chipboard. It was so easy. It was such an easy tutorial. It was such an easy project. Usually I'm intimidated by chipboard. I'm like, oh, chipboard. But this was actually pretty cool. And I'm like, Lynn, why are you cutting this by hand? You have a Cricut Maker. So I popped it on my Cricut Maker, and it was easy peasy. So it turned out even better. This is the Santa paper from last year from Michaels. I have some of that left, so I made one of those. Let's see inside. Then I have Jingleberry paper. It's called Winterberry from My Mind's Eye. And so that's what that paper's from. The Santa paper. These are my 2 favorites. This is from that empowerment paper from Photo Play that I showed you from my expo haul. And if you go back to my channel, if you haven't seen that haul, you'll see this paper. And I just love this paper with all the sayings on it. You are enough. You've got what it takes. You've got both grit and grace. Real queens fix each other's crowns. And I was inspired to use this paper after I saw the tennis match the other day. So this turned out really, really pretty. I love these. These are my these are my favorites. I love these. Okay, and then this one's also, these 2 are also from that paper. You Are Amazing, remember that, with the crowns, and the crowns are sideways, so that's going to be a gift for someone instead of a sale item. I didn't realize they were crooked until I finished. But the birds are beautiful. I love the birds. That turned out really pretty. Then I had that teacher paper from the hall, the expo hall, so I did a little, that's actually a charm, the little pencil. And I just added that to the front and then put that in there, so that was cute. This is a paper pad from Joann's. They have in Park Lane, has a new paper line. Guys, don't sleep on that paper. That 12x12, those 12x12 Park Lane paper pads. They are beautiful. I love them. This one's called like Mid-Century Modern or something, and I love that vibe. And so I'm going back to get, I'm hoping they come out with some Christmas ones. I keep checking. This is a photo play that I found in my stash. So I'm trying to use up that paper. This is another one from the Winterberry collection. These 2 are from, these were enabled by the Posh Paper Lady. I was not going to, oops, that one came apart. Got to fix that. This is that Frank Garcia paper that everyone's going on about, and I was not going to get it because I was like, I like Prima, but and I like kind of vintagey things sometimes, but usually when you get his pads, they're like all over. Although I did buy Autumn Sunset, which is beautiful, and I went ahead. Long story short, I went ahead and bought it, and I love it, and I bought the flowers too. So there you go. Then this is from that paper pad, the teacher paper pad also, and I just popped on a little button I got from somewhere. I can't remember where now, Joann's maybe. and just popped off the shank and added a little twine. I thought that was cute. And then this last one is from that photo play paper. I thought that was really pretty. So those are the ones I've been working on this weekend, and I'm so pleased when I finish something because I made every one. I made every pad that I had. So that's good. That's awesome. And I can move on to the next thing. I can check this off my list to move off. I love when that happens. So I hope you guys like this video. It was really quick. I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. All of those in the path of the storm, keep your head down. We're thinking about you. We're praying for you. And, just hold on. And, like, subscribe, share this video if you like it. And I will catch you in the next video. Thank you. Have a great week.